if question number 9, if the circles x square plus y square plus 2ax plus cy plus a is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 3ax plus dy minus 1 is equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points P and Q. That means this is the one of the circle and this is the another circle. These two circles are intersect at a point P and Q. Then the line 5x plus by minus a is equal to 0 passes through P and Q. That means PQ is called a common chord of the two circles. Common chord of the two circles means common chord of two circles is s1 minus s2 is equal to 0. That is subtracting these two circles, we get 2ax minus plus 3ax plus cy minus dy plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is 5ax plus c minus d into y plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. This is 1. Given PQ line is 5x plus by minus a is equal to 0. This is the 2. These two lines represent the same common chord. So that's why 5a by a is equal to c minus d by b is equal to a plus 1 by minus a by 5. Now comparing these two, a is equal to a plus 1 by minus a. So that implies a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in a. So discriminant is equal to b square means a square minus 4ac minus discriminant is b square minus 4ac is minus 4ac, where b square means 1 minus 4 into a means 1, c is also 1 minus 3. Delta is less than 0. Delta is less than 0 means a, no real value of a. No real value of a. Question number 10. The length of common chord of the two circles x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square and x square plus y minus b whole square is equal to b square is. The given circles are x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2by is equal to 0. These are the two circles. If these two circles are intersect each other, then this is the common chord. Length of the common chord formula is this is C or D. Length of the common chord is AB is equal to 2 into root of R square minus D square. That is the length of the common chord. Here first of all we find common chord. That is s minus s dash is equal to 0. Now we take minus 2ax plus 2by is equal to 0. So that implies ax minus by is equal to 0. That is the common chord AB. Now length of the common chord is 2 into root of r square means a minus d means perpendicular distance, where d is equal to perpendicular distance from a comma 0 to ax minus by is equal to 0. That is called modulus of a square by root of a square plus b square. Now common length of the common chord AB is equal to 2 into root of radius r square means a square minus a square by a power 4 by a square plus b square. Now this is 2 into square root of, taking LCM, a power 4 minus a power 4 is cancelled, a square b square by a square plus b square. So that is equal to 2ab by root of a square plus b square, which is the required length of the common chord. 11th question. The intersect on the line y is equal to x by the circle x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0 is AB. Equation of the circle AB has diameter is. This is the given circle x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. And this is the line x is equal to y. The line x is equal to y cuts the circle at A and B. If you take a circle AB as diameter, is this one. Now, the equation of circle AB as diameter is s plus lambda L is equal to 0. So that implies x square plus y square minus 2x plus lambda into x minus y is equal to 0. Now x square plus y square minus x into 2 minus lambda minus lambda into y is equal to 0. Its center is 2 minus lambda by 2 comma lambda by 2. It is the center. Center is always lies on the line, lies on the diameter. Here diameter is x is equal to 1. Center lies on diameter. So that implies the point lies on the line y is equal to x or x is equal to 1. 2 minus lambda by 2 is equal to lambda by 2. 2 to cancel, lambda is equal to 1. Now the equation of the required circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 1 into x minus y is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Question number 12. You are given n, where n is greater than or equal to 3 circles having different radical axes and radical centers. The value of n for which the number of radical axes equals to number of radical centers. For radical center, we take 2 circles. At least 2 circles we get radical center. And for radical center, we take at least 3 circles. So there are given n circles. From these n circles, the number of radical axes is equal to, that means NC2 is equal to number of radical centers. Number of radical centers means NC3. So this is of the form NCR is equal to NCS. So n is equal to r plus s, that is 2 plus 3. N is equal to 5. At least 5 circles are required.